कभी ऐसा आपको सुनने में आया है that she is a TV actor?
मैंने भी यही सुना है और सबसे सुना है और सोचा है कि अभी टीवी कर लिया, अभी आपको शायद पता नहीं मिलेगा.
One major difference you felt working in the TV and then in the OTT space?
TV is OTT,
Yeah.
it's a little over the top.
Yeah.
Didn't अभी भी हो रहा है, लोगों को वो चाहिए. एंड किचन में जाके कुछ मिक्स कर देना, किसी के लिए कुछ बुरा कर देना.
One character from the past you wish to do?
करीना कपूर. गीत.
चलो एक डायलॉग बोलो करीना का.
तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं है कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत दिखो. Not fair.
देखिए राना नायडू सीजन 2 के सेट से हम डायरेक्टली फिल्मी ज्ञान के सेट पे इनको बुला लिया है हमने. अदिति, मैं दिशा सिसोदिया आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ फिल्मी ज्ञान पे.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling so excited. I actually watched your interview and I was like, such a fun interview, not like the regular interviews. And it would be nice to be here. And then I asked, that who's taking the interview, and she said Disha, so I got really excited. I'm like, okay, I get to meet her.
I mean, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब कोई कभी ऐसा बोलता है तो. Like efforts have been noticed.
Yeah.
But off the camera we were talking about this one thing about how to frame it properly. I cannot just say it very directly, but the imbalance which is there in the industry when women and men are concerned, be it during trailer launch, be it during giving even credits. Right. What's your take on that? Like a simple take.
Like you only said that you've noticed that usually women are not given that much attention or that space which they deserve and which they own. I mean, if you have worked in the project and if you're a part of the project, I think everyone's put their mehnat. So wo basic credit dena, I think, is just basic respect to the person and the work that they've done. And in terms of industry, I mean, जैसे चल रहा है वो तो चल ही रहा है, तो I don't think you or me can make like a difference. But like you said, that small thing of you taking an initiative and presenting a question to someone would have made that person's day and given her that credibility, right? So as women, I think we can just bring each other up, and I think we do that.
I guess it just comes from inside, because it's a lot of empathy, I guess.
Exactly, because we've all been there some or the other way, where we feel like, okay, why is this happening to me? Just because I'm a woman, you're talking to me like that, that kind of thing.
That kind of thing.
So you always have that empathy for another person.
Yeah, exactly. And especially women, we just we feel like, just lift each other up.
Yeah, it's anyway difficult, so don't make it more difficult.
ऐसे लोग कहते हैं कि औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन होती है, but not
वो
always.
सच नहीं है.
Not always.
मुझे तो नहीं लगता. Not always.
सच है, but not always.
Right, not always.
Not
There is a certain crowd who would do that.
Yeah.
But you always have the good side also.
Exactly. Yeah. Has ever any kind of this thing happened with you where you've not been credited or you've been ignored by from any project?
Thankfully not. I mean, see, I'm fairly new. Yeah. Right? This is like my first debut project on Netflix, on OTT. So, to be included with a very big cast also, it becomes difficult because obviously they will go for the people who are bringing the main chunks in the show. But otherwise, I've always felt very welcomed in any set that I've been to or any project that I've been a part of. ऐसे कभी फील नहीं कराया गया है मुझे कि अरे ये तो नहीं है, ये तो कौन है, वैसा वाला फीलिंग कभी नहीं आया है. So like now that I've done Rana Naidu, I really felt like home. All the actors, including like everyone that I had worked with, and even the directors, the cast crew, they were all like a big family. Just everyone chilling with everyone talking, like very fun set.
Yes.
So ऐसे माहौल जब होता है ना, you don't feel like that. So I think I'd give credit to the entire cast and crew of this show at least.
And how maturely you mentioned this one thing that since I am new, I cannot expect a lot, but the basic needs to be there. The basic needs to be there, which was delivered to you.
Yes, absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
And I just like this point, this one thing which you said that, hey, I am new. So it is understood and it's given.
Right. You also need to know that where you stand and what kind of expectations you can have. But obviously, someone giving you that basic respect is also more than enough, right?
Exactly.
Just the basic credit.
Exactly. So, but then, how did this Rana Naidu, this whole thing happen to you? I mean, first is always special. Yeah. And this is your first debut in the OTT space. What it was like?
Actually, this came out of the blue. I got this message audition from Casting Bay, and then I had auditioned for Rana Naidu 1 also.
Okay.
I remember that for Mandira's character. I don't know if you watched. But I didn't get it that time. So when Rana Naidu 2 का message आया मुझे audition का, I was like, I want to give it, you know, because I've watched Rana Naidu 1, it was fun, interesting. तो मैंने बोला अभी वापस आया, I want to give it again. Audition दे दिया, and then I didn't have a second thought कि होगा नहीं होगा, because you give so many auditions, some things work, some things don't work. I was on a vacation and I got a call that, you know, you are selected for this project, and I was so happy, out of the world. Like, I couldn't believe it, because Netflix, you know, to be your first project on OTT is like a big thing, at least for me. So, yeah, that's about it. Just give a self-test audition, and then when I met my directors, they said that they liked the audition a lot, and you know, they liked me for the part. So I was like, okay, wow, you know, I'm really a part of this.
Such an ensemble cast it is. People who've been working in the industry for so long. Wasn't intimidating for you to just meet them?
Absolutely. Just to know that I'm going to be, you know, around such actors who I have looked up to, you know, and they are really good talent. I was very intimidated. Like, I remember first day when I went, मैं तो vanity में ऐसे बैठी थी, मेरे 2 लाइन थे सिर्फ, literally 2 लाइन थे, and मैं vanity से निकली नहीं बाहर, ना मैंने कुछ खाया पिया, book read किया. Usually I'm like chilling in the vanity, because most of the time you're waiting, you know, between shots. But this first day I was just like saying those 2 lines and just being scared, because I have to, you know, fit in with all these legendary people working around me. But जैसे ही मैं set पे गई, everyone was very chill. You know, like they were like, come sit with us. And then once we sat, then we were just sitting for hours, just chit chatting, cracking jokes, you know, enjoying.
You know, this one thing which I've heard from many actors who just started off or are, you know, थोड़ा बहुत काम किया. This one thing which has come very positive for their co-actors is like, the co-actors whosoever are there, they just know how does it feel, because they've been there.
Exactly.
So they know how to break the ice and just make you feel very comfortable, so that you're not feeling.
Absolutely.
और वो कैमरा पे ना दिखे, ताकि when you're giving the shot.
जैसे अभिषेक के साथ भी मेरे ज़्यादातर scenes उसी के साथ थे. तो in between scenes also he would just be like chatting with me, so that, you know, it's not like अच्छा scene हो रहा है, वैसा feel था ही नहीं.
That's nice.
In between we are cracking jokes, chilling, talking, और जब scene हो रहा है तब तक you feel like, you know, you're there already.
Yeah, but
that
also,
chemistry is there.
But also talking about the chemistry and everything, he's been somebody whose choreograph has been like this, and it's going up. And I wish to
more,
go, like more and more of him. But like, if I have to ask you how it was like working with him, was he intimidating when the camera was on? Like,
no, absolutely
he gets into the character.
He is Jaffa. So मुझे ना अभिषेक, जब मैं सोचती हूँ तो मुझे जफा का ही फेस नजर आता है, you know, because it's not like a character, it's just that person. Jaffa, it's him. So it was so easy, because it was so easy to have that chemistry with him, because that character is such a cute, so innocent, so naive, so real, so authentic, you know. So it was very easy for me to play that kind of a role opposite him, and it made it very like comforting for me.
That is something which is very
and
nice,
he's not intimidating at all. He's like a buddy. He's like all the time chilling. Everyone wants to chill with him. He's like
but
really
then,
cool.
but then you know, this one thing which I really admire is like, when you come from a TV background and then you're cracking all these things, it's there are two sides now. Like, एक side मैंने सुना है that it becomes difficult for TV actors to crack that, because most of the casting directors are in that mindset that अरे यार TV किया है, TV वाली है. I don't think so that she will be fitting in. But contrary to which I've also heard from TV actors that no, there are some casting directors जो इसके परे सोचते हैं, जो सिर्फ character देखते हैं आप. So कभी ऐसा आपको सुनने में आया है that she's a TV actor, so like we might not consider you since you've done TV?
हमेशा से मुझे ये था कि, you know, now that I've started doing TV, OTT में मुझे कभी चांस मिलेगा, फिल्म में कभी चांस मिलेगा, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा स्टीरियोटिपिकल हो जाता है, लोगों की सोच भी ऐसी हो जाती है, and the people who are casting, they'll only cast you for those, एक जो कर लिया ना, फिर वही टाइप का same, and which I really dread that. I just hope that कुछ तो अलग मिले हर रोल में, right? I was always auditioning for everything
Yeah.
because I'm open to everything and just want to do good work. And जब ये मिला मुझे Netflix का, तो मेरा खुद का वो एक
जो था
ब्रेक हुआ, पता है, क्योंकि मैंने भी यही सुना है और सबसे सुना है और सोचा है कि अभी टीवी कर लिया, अभी आपको शायद पता नहीं मिलेगा, बट इट्स अनबिलीवेबल. मुझे एक भी बात, मतलब यहाँ पे किसी को पता भी नहीं था कि मैंने टीवी किया है. In the sense that they didn't bother. My director didn't bother. The casting director didn't bother. None of them were like, अच्छा इसने टीवी किया है, इसने ऐसा रोल किया है, वैसा किया है.
It's changing. It's changing now.
It's absolutely changing, and I am like a proof to that, right? After doing 2-3 TV shows to get a Netflix thing, and it's a very contrasting role also. So I'm glad that that's happening.
But then,
it's changing.
but then, like, if I have to ask you, like, one major difference you felt working in the TV and then in the OTT space, like, it's a completely different. दोनों
It
का
is different.
दोनों का चाल चलन सब different है.
हाँ.
Any major differences if you can share with the audience?
TV में OTT ज़्यादा है. Basically, TV is OTT. It's a little over the top. Didn't अभी भी हो रहा है, लोगों को वो चाहिए. एंड किचन में जाके कुछ मिक्स कर देना, किसी के लिए कुछ बुरा कर देना, वो सब थोड़ा सा ज्यादा होता है, पर लोगों को वो मसाला चाहिए, इसीलिए वो बिक रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई पीपल आर वाचिंग. बट व्हेन यू डू OTT एंड फिल्म्स, यू गेट to do characters that are layered. You get to live those characters, and it's a different process altogether. So I am very grateful कि मुझे ये तस्नीम का रोल मिला, as a first character. And a combination of this team, the actors like Rana, Abhishek, everyone, Sushant, the director, the set of directors that I've worked with, they are all like the best. तो मतलब कंपैरिजन नहीं है, बट ये बोल सकती हूँ कि टीवी पे भी मैंने जो काम किया वो अच्छा काम किया. आई वर्क विद द गुड डायरेक्टर्स, सो बोथ वेज इट्स नाइस. बट हाँ, डिफरेंस ये है कि उसमें थोड़ा एक्टिंग भी आपको इससे थोड़ी ज्यादा
लाउड करनी पड़ती है.
लाउड एक्टिंग है. मतलब मुझे याद है, अभी राना के बाद भी मैंने एक टीवी शो किया, ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने नहीं किया. व्हेन आई वाज फ्री आई डिड अ टीवी शो, एंड आफ्टर डूइंग राना में मुझे एकदम ही ज्यादा subdued,
you have to tone
real.
down everything.
Yeah, like be real, right? Very, very real. And my character was not very expressive, like how I am also. So I was told कि इतने ज़्यादा expressions नहीं है, relax, behave, like you
Normal,
own the space. Whereas when after doing Rana, I went to do a TV show, वहाँ पे they were like, और करो, close up आप पे है, और माइक पे मुझे बोला जा रहा है कि like और आंखें बढ़ाओ, और थोड़ा गुस्सा दिखाओ. So that is there, that difference is there, but दोनों का अलग ही मजा है.
Then if I give you an option, TV or movie OTT, what would you prefer?
It has to just be a good script. I feel like a good script, a good role.
Diplomatic answer, but it's okay.
पर ये सच है, क्योंकि मतलब अभी मैं ऐसे स्टेज पे हूँ where I feel blessed that I'm not being compartmentalized into one section. कि ये सिर्फ ये कर रही है टीवी, ये सिर्फ OTT कर रही है, सिर्फ मूवी कर रही है. मुझे सब कुछ करना है. मतलब I want to try everything that is possible because this is the time I can do that, right?
Nice. ये जो हमने टीवी की बात की, ये जो हमने मूवी की बात की, डेब्यू की बात की, अब थोड़ा और फन करते हैं, सेगमेंट की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, ठीक है? So the first segment is hashtag show. I'll take names, whatever comes to your mind first.
Okay.
उनको hashtag देना है. Are you ready? Hashtag उधर देख के देना. To that camera, okay? Hashtag for Rana.
Persona. He has a great persona.
Kriti.
I've not worked with her, but I've loved her work, so she's bubbly and fun.
Abhishek.
Cutie. Jaffa.
Surveen.
Chill.
Karanveer Sharma.
Karanveer Sharma, buddy.
Arjun Rampal.
Hot.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Great performer.
Ranveer Singh.
Love his energy. Energetic.
Alia Bhatt.
Super talented.
Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Hot again.
And lastly, to Rana Naidu Season 2.
Rana Naidu Season 2. More exciting than Season 1.
Okay. अब हम खेलेंगे rapid fire round.
Oh shit.
Okay.
I hope I'm rapid enough for that.
But rapid fire round. One actor you wish to work with.
Ranbir Kapoor.
One director you wish to work with.
Imtiaz Ali.
Okay. If you have the power to change one thing in this world, what would it be?
Garibi. Basic, really.
Okay. Yeah. The poverty.
Poverty, yeah.
If you have the power to live somebody else's life.
Somebody else's life?
Yeah.
Wow. I would like to live Priyanka Chopra's life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you have to select like people from the industry for the following. If you have to select one gym buddy,
Oh, gym buddy, John Abraham.
okay. If you have to go on a spa date,
Kriti Kharbanda.
okay. If you have to go on a vacation, you have to select two actors.
Abhishek.
And
Sushant Singh.
if you have to go on a pani puri date,
Pani Puri date.
yeah.
Surveen. I think she's a foodie. She'll like Pani
Okay.
Puri.
And if you have to go to a temple,
Rana.
vada pav or pani puri?
Pani Puri.
An action movie with Varun Dhawan or a romantic movie with Ranbir Kapoor?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Okay.
Romantic movie.
मतलब देख रहे हो ब्लश कैसे कर रही है?
It's like मेरे head में already मैंने romantic movie कर लिया रणबीर कपूर के
And
साथ.
she's like with this Ranbir
Yeah.
Kapoor, romantic
I actually
movie.
did that. No?
Yeah, she did that. Okay, one character from the past you wish to do.
One character from the past.
Yeah, from any of the Bollywood movie.
Kareena Kapoor. Geet. Iconic.
Everyone can relate that.
Iconic है boss.
And she herself says that. Iconic.
Yeah, I mean, I just want to be Kareena Kapoor. Like her role.
है ना?
Just embody her, mirror her. So entertaining.
चलो एक
and
डायलॉग
nice.
बोलो करीना का.
Oh.
Yeah.
तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं है कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत दिखो. Not fair.
और हमारा लास्ट सेगमेंट है द लास्ट.
The last.
Yes.
Oh.
The last person you've stalked.
I must have stalked Netflix page just to see what more they've put up, what
Yeah.
new shows and what they're putting up about Rana Naidu.
The last person you've blocked.
Oh my god, I'm a serial blocker. I've blocked like 600, 700 people.
Why?
Some random Chintu from Chandigarh, as Richa Chadda says, who writes random comments
Yeah.
or send feed pictures type of person.
Have you ever received any, absurd photos?
Yeah, of course. I think all girls get that. On Instagram DM, I've received everything.
Is it? Like,
Yeah.
what's the worst?
The worst you can imagine.
And how did you react?
Just blocked. I'm just like, what are people up to and what
So
are
much
they
disgusting.
doing and how can they do this? It's crazy. Yeah, that.
Guys really need to stop.
Stop it. Stop it.
The last food item you ate.
Last food item I ate. I actually had something to drink. I had like juice, not eaten anything.
Coffee.
And coffee. Yeah.
The last time you hugged.
Last
Like
time
the
I
last
hugged
person.
in the morning, my mom.
Okay. The
Yeah.
last time you cried.
Last night only I must have cried.
Why?
I cry very often.
like is it like, do you get very overwhelmed or is it like a coping mechanism? Like what it is for you with crying?
I cry when I'm happy. I cry when I'm angry. I cry when I'm sad. It's like a kind of a release.
Yeah.
I feel like, and many people say, "Kitna like why do you keep like?" Some people are there, na? They'll point out, "कि अरे हर चीज में I do want to cry," but it's I feel like my body just has like a release when I
Yeah.
just cry it out.
Yeah.
And
And
I,
people don't understand this one thing.
Yeah.
They just term you like
Sensitive.
sensitive
I'm
or
sensitive.
crybaby or emotional, but it's okay to be emotional.
I
What do you
mean,
think?
you just feel better. Then why not? These are just
Exactly.
emotions, pent up energy that needs to come out, and it can come out in a form of like tears or just crying it out. So it's okay. I mean,
Like, do you cry when you are rejected?
not now, not anymore. In the beginning, I used to, but now being in this industry for some time, I feel like it's a part and parcel. So I give the audition and then I don't even remember.
Yeah.
Obviously, bura lagta hai if you're rejected, but then you feel like maybe this was not meant for me. I believe in that, and what is meant for you will come.
Yeah. The last time you've ghosted someone.
Roasted.
Ghosted.
Oh, ghosted. I'm not ghosted anyone.
Okay. The last expensive thing you bought.
My bag.
How much?
It's a Coach bag. I don't remember how much, but I got a Coach bag for myself. And I was like, it's expensive, but I just got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
The last cheapest thing you've bought.
I got a random lipstick from one of the stores.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was
Okay.
cheap.
And lastly, your
I got
last-
it because it was cheap and I wanted to try. Is it actually like good or is it going to be bad because it's cheap?
Yeah. And lastly, your last travel destination.
Last travel destination, I went to Spain.
Wow.
Yeah.
Like a vacation or
Yes.
alone?
With my friends.
Nice.
Yeah.
Are you like girly gang?
Yeah, I have
or-
like a solid girl gang. My school friends are my
Hmm.
friends abhi tak. So
And
they are my go-to people.
how important is female friendship for you?
Oh my God, I think it's the most important. Like these girls who are my friends are more like family to me. I can go up to them for anything at any time, and there's no jealousy, there's no judgment, and like I can just totally depend on these people, and they come with utmost love for me, and and they're so proud when something happens. You
Yeah.
just give them that news and you also feel like you shared it with your loved ones. So number one for me, girl friendship more
Yeah.
than anything.
And यही note पे I want you to give one life advice to the audience out there, and just about Rana Naidu as well.
One life advice generally?
General, like whatever you wish to give out.
Generally just like you said, rejection. If you face rejection, I think you shouldn't feel upset. It should be a point which motivates you to do better. And being an actor, I feel like we face rejection every day. So if you are a budding actor and if you're watching this, then I think if I'm here, you can also be there. So don't feel bad if you're being rejected. Your debut project is waiting for you. And watch Rana Naidu if you haven't watched it. Thank you so much for so much love. My character Tasneem has got so much love. I've got so many messages. So I'm really happy and just hoping that I can keep entertaining you guys.
Thank you so much, Miss Shetty.
Thank you, Disha. It was so much fun.
So much. Thank you so much यहाँ आने के लिए फिल्मी ज्ञान पे just sharing.
मुझे
this
बुलाने
journey.
के लिए thank you. यार, I've actually watched the interviews and enjoyed it. So
Thank
I'm
you
happy
so
that
much.
we did this.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Signing off.